Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan pancakes made with oats, ready for pancake day. So I'm using my NutriBullet to mix the batter, basically. First of all, you need to get a cup of oats, which I will spill everywhere because I always do. I am such a clumsy klutz. Going to add that into your blender or mixer. Next, you need to add half a banana. Hopefully it will be ripe because it tastes so much sweeter. And then save the other half for topping later. And yes, I did wipe my hands on my tea towel because I am apparently not a human being. For the milk, you need to add a little bit less than a cup. I used a cup here and it was much too runny. I like to use Alpro coconut because I just love coconut milk. To make the pancakes rise, you need to use half a teaspoon of baking powder. Once all of your ingredients are in, add whatever you want your pancake taste to be. So mine's going to be blueberry and cinnamon. Time to blend and make your batter. To cook your pancakes, ideally you need a non-stick pan, and you'll just pour your batter into it once it's really hot. Obviously you can see that the consistency of my pancakes is way too runny here, so I actually ended up adding more oats to thicken it up a bit. Always have fun whilst you're cooking pancakes because they're amazing! I'm probably going to say that is my pancake dance. So I completely forgot to add blueberries to my pancakes. Yes, they are meant to be cinnamon and blueberry pancakes, so I added them to my second my second pancake. I have that one there which doesn't have the blueberries. I had to check to make sure this was cooked because, like I said, the batter was really thin, so it wasn't the best pancake that I've made, but it'd do. You can see here that the batter on this one is so much thicker. It's a thicker consistency, so it'll be easier to flip for sure. And I remembered to add blueberries on both the pancakes. Yay! Points for me, or kudos for me. Don't forget your pancake dance! It's pancake day, it's pancake day, we love pancake day! Time to get flipping! This guy was a little rascal. He just would not flip over, or I just did not have the confidence to flip him. Now for the best part, putting on the toppings. Yay! So I actually put the other half of the banana on top. You can caramelize these in the pan as well, which tastes delicious. Then add some more blueberries on top because these are obviously blueberry pancakes. And to the blueberries I added Alpro's Go On protein yogurt for just a little bit extra protein. It's nice and thick and creamy. And then I added on the Naked Bar, Blueberry Naked Bar, the best. And obviously do not forget your peanut butter. Voila, the finished result. Enjoy pancake day!